IELTS is the International English Language Testing System, which was created by the British Council to test English language proficiency. Road to IELTS is an online IELTS preparation course, which gives you access to practice activities, video tutorials, and sample tests. In this video, we'll show you how to access, how to go through the study planner, and how to navigate through the different modules. First, visit MississaugaLibrary.ca. Under the Research and Learn header, click A to Z Digital Resources. From the list, find Road to IELTS. Go ahead and enter your library card number. If you wish to create an account, you'll be able to make use of the Progress Report tab, which will chart your progress and scores throughout your studies. If you wish to have a quick look around, click Continue as a Guest. Now you have access to Road to IELTS. If you're uncertain of where to start, the study planner will give you an efficient way to approach your test prep. Click Download Study Planner. Now click Study Planner. The study planner will open as a PDF document, which you can download or print to keep on hand. The planner will organize the modules in the order you might want to attempt them, and will list the activities within each module. It'll also include approximately how long you should spend on each module. Over here, you can note any areas that you found difficult that you'd like to strengthen later. Under the first module, Reading, click Starting Out. Click here to watch a short video about the reading portion of the IELTS test. And then click Read eBook. This PDF document will tell you everything you may need to know when writing the test. When you've completed reading the ebook, you can now move to the second section of the module, Advice and Tutorials. Again, click to start the video. If there are multiple videos, you will see them listed in the playlist here. When you've watched all the videos, visit the practice zone. Here, you'll see a number of sets ranging in difficulty. Start with Set 1, and then Short Answer Questions. You'll find the instructions here at the top, and you can access test tips here. When you've completed all the questions, click Marking on the top right. You'll then see which answers were correct, incorrect, and/or empty. You then have the option to either try again or show the answers. Click Next to move on to the next exercise in the set. When you feel comfortable with the exercises in the practice zone, go ahead and navigate to the test practice by clicking Reading at the top left, and then Test Practice. Start with Set 1. You have the option of completing the test entirely on the computer or downloading and printing the test and then reviewing the answer key. In this tutorial, we're going to proceed with the computer simulator. Click Start. Now click Start Test. This is just a practice test, so you don't have to worry that your information is incorrect. Click My Details Are Correct to start the test. Review the instructions and click Start Test. Just like in the real test, read the passage and select your answers. When you've completed Part 1, move on to Part 2. You can navigate to any previous questions here, and when you've completed all 40 questions, click Submit at the top right corner. You'll then be given your test score. Click Exit to return to the previous page. This concludes our video on Road to IELTS. If you have any questions, send us an email at support.library@mississauga.ca.